introduction about who am I. I've been in this training industry for the last 18 years. I train corporates on 3 different subjects: Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Excel macros, and Microsoft. Today, we will learn the concepts. Whatever we are meant to learn in the module 3, we'll finish learning all those steps. And then we will have some kind of activities in between every exercise or every learning, trying to find out, just make the session a little interactive. So when you start sharing the screen, when you can share the screen with me whenever I'm asking you to do it. So we'll be doing something like this. First, I'm going to throw you a question to one of you. So you'll be sharing the screen with me. So I'll throw you a question. You will try to solve it, and then we will start our discussion from there. Before we proceed with the training, we need to take up a small assessment. Okay, so I'm going to post the link for the assessment on the WhatsApp group. It's a 15 minutes assessment. You can take up the assessment in your mobile phone or using an iPad. You don't need system for that, because I'll just get you the scores, my friends, after some time. So because we need to see what's your post assessment as well. So after the training, we will go through such a similar kind of an assessment to find out how much learning we got from the program, and so that will tell us where do we stand after the training program. Okay. All right. So first confirmation I need from you people is, are you able to see my screen, what I'm presenting right now?
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Yes.
So the ones where we look at the output, the last character appears as the second last character. So just take it as PY and try it out.
Yeah, okay, let's try, let's give it a try. Okay. PY, and then I'll go ahead. And let's go ahead and try, and then choose flash fill.
Yeah. In your row, it says R as the second last character rather than the last.
Absolutely. This is what the problem I'm talking about. This is what the problem. You can't blindly believe, or you cannot blindly trust the results of flashbulb. There are certain.
I think I can see. Yeah, sorry to jump in. I think I can see. Look at the ref column D. The number of characters. It matches up. I think you can see that there's a relation between these 2 columns.
Correct. Rightly said. Wherever we have 3-digit and 4-digit, we see the variation based on the number of digits we have it. But to be very honest, I can't keep varying based on the other columns. I can't keep changing my way of working on it based on for every single variation on my inputs. So, but when will I say it's really helpful, irrespective of any variation I have at my side? It should help me out. A question what I got today from one of my participants. It was a good one. So I thought of we'll start our day from there. Okay. How frequently you create charts? Is it occasional, or do you prepare them regularly, or how is it? I want to calculate 5% in the C column. All I want to calculate is 5% on this value. Can I do that? Okay, I want you to see what happens when I do that. Equal to.
Using a formula?
Okay. Type equal to. Yes. So see here, if I type equal to, and if I click on this, what I was expecting to happen when I click on that, I was expecting to see B4, but something else is coming. We watch closely. If I ignore that and keep moving, if I multiply that with 5%, and when I hit enter, and when I drag it down. Okay, first question, why am I getting the same answers? Why am I getting the same answers for every cell?
It's taking the value of that cell. You've got to take B4. You've got to type in B4 rather than click on the cell.
Okay.
The reference is incorrect.
Okay, the reference is incorrect. Okay, so I'm going to delete the dollar sign and I'm going to drag it down. Still, the answer is same. There's no dollar sign, but still my answer is same. Okay, when you want to do calculations in the pivot table, this is very famous question when I share this info. People use that. Can I do a calculations with the pivot table values? The first question I ask them is, this calculation what you're trying to do, is it a temporary one which you needed for the time being, or you want that calculation to be a part of your pivot table permanently? So the question is whether you need it for the time being or you want it forever in the pivot. If it is only for the time being, what you can do, just type equals name. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great evening again.
Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you, Hari.
Thank you.
Good night, everyone.